In this video, I want to show you how to fold flat the rear seats of your Honda Pilot. If the seats are folded, you're gonna unlatch it like this, and you're gonna bring up the backrest that you can adjust, you see, in multiple position. To put back the backrest, well, it's the same latch. Okay, so this is number one. And over here, how to fold these? Well, if they are in the floor, you'll need to go in the trunk. It's easier, and pull on this, you see, pull on this latch to unlock. Yeah, you absolutely need to be in the trunk. From here it's a bit hard. All right, so this is how you put up the third row. And to fold this, well, from the trunk, you're going to use the same latch, okay? And just like that, you'll be able to have a flat floor really quickly. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.